Alright, so I have this is DC3 and this is DW3. Oh, they're both 3, but one is cool and one is warm. So they look like this. You can probably look at the color. When you look further away, you can see a better representation of the color there. It says it's an oil-free liquid foundation, contains skin protectants and potent antioxidants that protect the skin from the free radical and other environmental damage. Built-in soft focus powders make the skin look and feel naturally flawless. This formula provides that light to medium coverage. Apply to clean dry skin using finger, sponge or foundation brush. Light to medium. I am going to use the darker one, and I've had this for a while, like a hell of a long time. This feels like plastic, doesn't feel like okay, and it is not as runny, just a little bit runny. So this is DC3, and let me get a clean foundation brush so that I don't have anything mixing. And I'm not wearing any primer. One pump is a lot, and this is definitely cool. So one full pump gave me full coverage right here, but it looks as if it dries. Oh, it's moving, so it's not dry yet, it's still pretty wet. And that was one full pump on this side. This is my second full pump. I'm just looking at, oh, look at that. So this looks matchish, but then this is hella white. So let's just blend that out. It feels really liquidy on my face. Alright, so I'm going to let this dry down a bit. I don't know if it's going to get any drier. Again, I'm using DC3 from It's Your Face Cosmetics, and it's their perfect finish foundation. It says it's infused with vitamins A, C and E, and it's for all skin types, and you get 30 grams of product, which is 1 fluid ounce. That's what the bottle looks like. So let's, it's still kind of wet. And let me just do the other side. Ooh, look at that. Didn't run like that on me before. What was that? Oh, it's drying down. It's taking a while, but it's drying down. This is not bad at all. Okay, so I'm testing this foundation today from It's Your Face Cosmetics, and I'm also filming, so stay tuned for the video. I am not mad at all on the coverage of this foundation. I am not mad at all. And it dries kind of demi-matte, and I'm not wearing any primer. I'm not wearing it. You can still see some of my imperfections there. But I don't know, it's like, as sometimes I love full coverage, and the next minute I'm fine if it's not full coverage. Alright, so this is DW3, I think, yeah, DW3, and let's look at that in comparison to, oh yeah, so this is DC3 and this is DW3. So DC and DW. DW is definitely lighter. So let's use that to do my highlights. What brush? Alright. So I'm going to be using my Sedona Lace 224 brush for my highlight. So alright, you see how it's a little bit more dried down, and I'm looking at the viewfinder and it's looking as if my face looks a little bit darker. It looks like that to me. Also, when I highlight it, I'm going to kind of zoom in. You can see right here that it's separating when I place the D, what was it that I placed on top? The DW3. When I place the DW3 on top, it's just separating. Yeah, I don't know what could be causing that, so I'm going to just go over that with my LA Pro Conceal and Fawn. Even on my forehead, it's even separating on my forehead. And for my low light, I'm just going to be low lighting with Mahogany from LA Pro Conceal again.
If my father were to see you now.
No, it really got, I mean, my low light barely did anything. So this is too dark for me, this foundation. Hopefully my powder can bring back some life. I just really feel it's too dark for me. I may be looking at it wrong, but to me, my skin looks dark. Like the foundation is just too dark for me. And the foundation that I used was DC3, the cool one. Alright, so until I did a full face and a blinding highlight because just because, you know, just because. Yeah, so really, and I'm wearing the Fenty gloss, and the highlight I'm using is Inglot 03, and I'm also using my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette in Dim Light for my highlight. So in all honesty, it really looks dark for me, but that's just on the color. But really, I love the coverage of it. It is not too much. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin at all, and I am wearing absolutely no primer with this, just none. I would say though, I did not like how the DW3, the lighter one, I don't like how it reacted when I highlighted. You know what I mean? Like it's separated, and that's weird for me. I don't know why it did that. I don't know why it separated, but it did. So yeah, so my overall assessment without wearing it for long, because I'm going to be home and I'm not wearing any primer, is that it's an okay foundation, and I would say medium to full coverage, because I used 3 pumps for my entire face, which you guys saw 1, 2, 3, and it didn't. No, yeah, it would be light to medium because it didn't cover everything on one go. So it would be light to medium for true. But that medium coverage, it works for me. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's basically it, I guess. You can stay connected on my social media, and I'll let you guys know how it's been acting on Snapchat, Instagram, or wherever. But for now, it's okay. It's not like, girl, you better get this shit now, blah. It's more like, yeah, it's alright. You can get it and try it out for yourself. It's okay. It's an okay foundation. So again, it's Your Face Cosmetics. It's a Jamaican brand. Light to medium coverage. They're not here in Jamaica though. They're located abroad, but the owner is Jamaican. And yeah, it's an okay foundation. I'll let you guys know probably within the next 2 or 3 videos if it gets a full thumbs up for me. But for now, this is my first impressions, which is kind of weird doing a first impressions and still don't have a consensus. I haven't come to and my mind has not yet been made up basically. So it's okay. It's an okay foundation, and it gets an okay from me. Not like a thumbs up, but it gets like one of these, like, yeah, it's alright. Not like, girl, don't bite, do not bite. Whatever you do, do not spend your money on this. That's not what I'm saying. It's okay. It's an okay. So within the next 2 to 3 videos, I'll come back on here and let you know. But if you want, like, you want to know right now, I'll let you guys know via my social media as well. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. So this is, I wore the foundation again, right, the day after. So I wore it over my Fenty Beauty primer, and you guys, this foundation photographs so nicely, so so good, and I wore it for the entire day. So I did my makeup, what time? Around 10 o'clock? Nah, around 9 o'clock. I didn't wipe it off my face until like after 10 the night. So I had it on for about 13 hours or so, and this foundation held up. It is, I am in love, and I'm glad that I had a chance to wear it again. I would definitely be wearing this foundation again, so you'll definitely be seeing it in some more videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks, it's your face.